Putang ina mo.
Oo, yun yung makina. May mga secret modification. The best. Oh my God, holy moon. Come go to shopping with you to for it's tennis day today. Merong pop-up dito yung OnlyFans. Two words. Ganyan lang yan, oh. Narinig ka? Check it out. Alex Kaya. Or make show of a Wilson Hall. Hi Bevelians! We're back to weekly vlogging. This time, I think I'll be merging it with my living together diaries or series. Habang yung nanay ko is nasa likod. Mama, say hi to the vlog! Hi! Payag ka ba sa living together? No comment! It's a busy week. Also, sakto kasi birthday week ni Ramon. Tomorrow is his birthday, May 20. Shit, 47! Parang naging kami 36 ata siya. Anyway, our agenda for today, we're heading to SMDC headquarters sa may MOA. Backstory, hindi pala recently, 2 years ago, I sold my condo tsaka parking. So, we're fixing some paperwork. Then, on the way home, dadaan tayo ng Mandawi Folk to buy new stuff for my Airbnb sa my grass residences. I think last renovation was 4 years ago. So, it's about time na i-update yung mga gamit doon. Sofa bed, sobrang primitive na, sobrang manual. Tatanggalin mo pa yung cover, tas i-disassemble mo para sobrang old, ganon. Antique. Maybe a new dining set kasi yung pinagawa doon sa karpentero na hindi naman karpentero. Palo China, tas bara-bara. So, natatapyas na yung mga paint, gano'n. A new smart TV. Yung TV pa doon, hindi siya smart TV. So, bumili ako ng Google Chromecast. Kung yung mga TV nyo hindi pa rin smart TV, ililink ko below yung Chromecast. Tapos, if the budget allows it, baka a new refrigerator. Kasi meron ako ulit guest na June 1 hanggang September ata o long-term guests. Also, here's a quick tip. Guests usually leave reviews if they're, number 1, extremely happy or number 2, extremely disappointed. Focus tayo sa extremely happy so we can get good reviews. Oh, yung isa rin pala dun sa na-upgrade ko is yung aircon. I was choosing between Panasonic and yung Gree. Sabi ko, sige, try ko mag-Panasonic. And buti na lang. Oh my God, nagulat ako sa bill namin. Inverter na siya ha. May window type. Hindi siya window type. Mama niyo yun, yung mahabang aircon. Split type. Sobrang tipid. Lalo na tong mga long-term guests, no? Nagbababad yan ng aircon. As in, walang patayan yan. Kaya, mag-invest na kayo sa inverter. Then, after Mandawi Folk, sa Abenson naman, to check out yung mga smart TVs. Oh, to end the week, meron kaming 2-day event sa Strays to Oasis. No, very busy tayo, but super grateful talaga. Everything I have now is the product of me showing up every day. Hindi ko naman syempre pinapakita yung mga hardships, yung mga breakdowns. Kasi parang ang dami nagsasabi na I'm very thankful din na you're my parang idol, I look up to you, ganyan-ganyan. Step by the step bago ka sumakses. Ganon talaga. Walang shortcut to success. There's no elevator to success. You have to do the work. Give credit where credit is due. It's been a team effort. Oh, like my ever loyal staff, si Kuya Tony, who's driving right now. Who's are all around. Hello! Siya bahala dun sa mga daily tasks with my executive assistant. Ayan, si Zeng. Hi, love you so much. So, I can focus more on expanding yung mga decision making. Kasi talaga mga Bevelians, bobo ako talaga by nature, promise. Kaya talagang pag mag-isip ako, sobrang drained ako. Wala lang talaga akong choice. Okay? So, wala talagang excuses. No excuses here. Kahit talagang bobo ka, kailangan mong mag-exert ng effort. So, yun. Kasi I have a lot of people na relying on me. Time check! It's 11:44 a.m. We're on our way to MOA. Oh God! Look! What happened? Malambot. check. 12:45 p.m. Hindi kasi nagano si Kuya Tony. Skyway. Kuya, ang lunch. We're here na sa Mandawi Foam. Ayan, ito yung mga sofa nila. Sir, may nahanap po ako. Ito.
Dining sa taas po. Itong
okay.
Brighton. Doon po sa may...
Sa dulo.
Lapit po sa may
Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, ito ata yun. Oh, guys, it's so aesthetic. Ito yun, pero 4-seater lang siya. I'm gonna buy the 4-seater nitong Savior seater dining set in oak and the Brighton budget sofa bed. Hopefully okay siya. Oh my gosh. So baba na tayo. They have nice selections din naman of dining chairs, dining tables, and set na. But kung mayroon pa kayong alam na iba, let me know in the comments below. Second floor daw yung mga maliliit nila na mga TVs. So, ayoko yung sa Lazada kasi parang masyadong, I don't know, baka feeling ko madaling masira. Devon TCL. Affordable na smart TV po. Pang Airbnb lang.
Meron tayo ng schedule.
Sige.
Hindi na po siya.
Okay. So, I think okay na to. I didn't get the refrigerator anymore. So, kailangan niya munang i-sure yung measurements before I buy the refrigerator. So, to follow na lang yun. Nagpa-add din si mommy ng 2-burner stove top.
Ayun. Sa paa mo. Pagka malaki yung pasabuong tubig siya dyan.
And after this, we're going home na. And I'll just continue the vlog tomorrow. Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa!
Bili ka ng birthday cake na panghayo. So good.
Anong gift mo? Ay, anong
Anong gusto ko?
anong gusto mong gift?
Lexus.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bili ka.
Inubos mo na nga yung Lexus ko eh.
Ikaw ulit. I-scam mo ako eh. Akala ko totoo eh.
Lexus, pa-drive ka naman.
Pa-drive, pa-may-ari. Bili ka.
First word sounds like run, fun. Second word, food. Fun food.
Gawa ka, bili ka.
Anong fun food gusto mo? Makdo? A couple of packages na downstairs. So, kunin lang natin sa lobby. I bought this Zolele hand blender so you don't have to. So, let's get into it. Honestly thought na medyo magaan to and flimsy. But as soon as I opened it, it feels very durable. And it's actually similar dun sa immersion blender that we use sa restaurant. It has 8 power levels. Kahit ice pwedeng makrush. The attachments are yung pang immersion blender, 2 sizes na parang pang food processor, and yung width. So, if you want to make a smoothie or make siomai or beat eggs, this is very handy and perfect para sa mga condo living girlies natin dyan. You know the drill. Link is in the yellow basket. So, let's do a Wilson haul. Since I'm really into tennis lately, and super nag-enjoy ako. As in, kahit wala na akong time as a business owner, I will make time talaga. Let's do a Wilson haul. Siyempre, nagamit ko na bago ako mag-haul. So, this is the tennis bag. Kahit hindi ako magte-tennis, magagamit ko pa rin siya. Parang string bag. Parang ganon. Maganda yung color niya. May isa siyang pocket inside. Tapos meron ng zipper. It also matches my tennis shoes. As of the moment, I have 2 rackets. Pang beginner tsaka pang advanced kasi feeling ko, gagaling din naman ako. So, bumili na ako nung Babolat Pure Aero Drive. If you don't know, ito yung ginagamit ni Alex Ayala. My sister and I used to watch tennis tournaments sa TV lang naman with my dad growing up. So, yun, parati namin napapanood sila Carlos Agassi, Pete Sampras, si Sharapova, si Serena Williams, Venus Williams, and of course, sila Roger Federer, tsaka si Nadal na. This Wilson Racket Intrigue, binili ko sa Shopee. I'll link it below. Kaya siya mahal. Ganyan siya, oh. Sobrang pantay. Tapos less than 300 grams lang to. So, very light. Grip size ko 2. Kung sakaling may magbibigay, no, Babolat. Going back to my Wilson haul. Tripod. Okay naman siya. Naghanap lang ako ng tripod sa Orange app. Ililink ko below. Okay siya. Yung tripod, hindi pala sa Wilson. Bumili ako ng 2 visor. Color white and navy blue. And color lumot. Color lumot? I mean, let's face it. Kaya tayo nagte-tennis is for the cute fit. So nice. I also bought these Roger Federer na dampener. That's it for my Wilson haul. Ayan siya. Ganyan lang yan, oh. Naka-boxers pa.
Magulo, gag.
Ano na, buti-buting-ting mo dyan?
Nakikiti ko, gag.
Ano ang ginagawa mo?
Tingin kita eh.
Paala ka dyan.
Picturoso ko eh.
Sa baba.
Babae naman ako.
Oo na naman! Time check, it's 6:48 p.m. Mag-grocery ako. Wala na kaming makain. So, I'm gonna use yung Honda CR-V daw. Hindi pa siya tapos mag-guting-ting. Anong gagamitin ko?
Yun. Kotse mo.
Yung kotse ko. Narinig ka, kotse ko daw. Watch how gaano kasikip this. Ito natin yung aircon. But first, buckle up. Ah. Shit, no. Tapos bigla akong nabangga. Oh God. Oh my God. Wag po. Dito si Ramon. Char. Mga 3 to 4 akong atras abante dito. Para lang sure. So, to all my girly drivers, okay lang maraming, alam mo yun, turns as long as hindi ka mababangga. Okay? Okay. Let's go! Pag may tumunog, ibig sabihin na bangga na kayo.
Huwag mo nga sandali sa reverse para wag mo paatrasin ha. Parang nag-vibrate dito, no?
Wala. Pero naka-brake ako. Malamang, kasi
Huwag mo sa park, malamang.
kung hindi atras ako. Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Huwag mo nang yung sikreto ko to.
May mga secret modification siya na gini-gatekeep. Para hindi mag-vibrate.
Raratel.
Para hindi mag-rattle. Bayaran niyo ako para sabihin ko sa inyo.
Tamo, di ba, na hindi nagra-rattle?
Wala naman nag-rattle.
Kaya nga kasi may mga secret modification ako eh, na gina-gatekeep eh. Kung ako nag-vibrate, lagay mo sa reverse. Brake mo. Wala, di ba? Wala nag-vibrate.
Wala naman before and after eh. Come grocery shopping with me at the marketplace. Let's go. I'm gonna buy something for our household. And I'm gonna buy something for me. High volume, low calories. More fiber, more protein. Let's go. Kasi I have 1 hour. We're gonna close in 1 hour. So I bought 2 avocados and 2 packs of suha papaya for the fiber. So, nito pala yung tsura ng passion fruit in the flesh. course, Papi Ramon, sweet tamarind, sibuyas white, bawang, love luya. Ito for volume eating. Okay daw to. Cabbage. For love pipino, guys. Yeah, calamansi for juices and sausawan. Kalabasa. Palaya with egg with magic sarap. Not sponsored. Sarap siya, promise. Perfect size. Ang tortang talong. Japanese cucumber. Only at the marketplace. Instead of the usual wrapper, siomai wrapper, si-steam mo yan or i-boil mo to. Pechay. I'm so happy. I also want to try, for the longest time, yung mga caviar. I don't know what's the best caviar. Let me know. Then, itong mga berries. I love kiwi. Perfect din siya sa yogurt. Siguro may lettuce. Enoki mushroom, take mushroom, leeks, onion spring, kimchi, tofu, and soft tofu for the soup. Tigda dalawa. Oh shit! Tigda dalawa. Sige ko Taiwan. Meron po kayong boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Yun. The best milk for matcha lattes. Yeah, I think okay na yun. Yeah. And may utang tayo kay Papi Ramon. It's tennis day today. I'm here to pick up my sister.
Grabe init. Ba't gano'n?
Super nga eh.
Super naman.
Where test? So, we're here. Malate kami. Merong pop-up dito yung OnlyFans. Let me know kung gusto nyo ng pop-up dito sa Dugod Cafe, yung steak to one. Yes! Shout out to Miss Mara and Sir Romel, the owners of Dugod Cafe. Kasi dito nila kami pinesto sa bungad talaga. And they really care for the strays. Kasi may kita mo yung genuine love and care nila dun sa mga strays. Hindi sila nandidire. Ganon. Ayan, nag-set up na kami. It's 11:30. Why? Support the rescues, adopt your next BFF. Limited edition na navy blue, khaki, oh, diba? Also have this shirt, break for anima. It's really hard. It's really hard. It's scorching. Shaded naman dito, pero yung buga, singaw lang talaga ng araw. Sobrang init. So, next week, gallery naman sa Gali. So, aircon na to. First event namin na aircon. So, good for our rescues.
Hindi po siya sa pusa, kahit ano sa bata.
Para ba siyang yung parang makikipag-racing? Yung tunog niya?
Hindi, ano ba tunog?
Parang makikipag-racing ka, parang ganon. Yung maiingay na kotse.
Yung makina yung maingay?
Oo, yun yung makina.
Dapat hindi. Tunog normal lang yan. Tayo may radyo.
Wait.
Radyo ba?
Oo, wala na masyado. Oh, okay na. Okay na. Thanks. Bye. Okay, you're going to Pilates. 11 a.m. Pilates ko. 10:40 na. Tapos bukas tennis. Oh my God, patayan. Sa may Kamyas lang yung Pilates ko. Everyday Pilates. Let me know kung meron kayong mga alam na other Pilates studio sa QC. There's one actually sa may Katipunan, yung Sculpt Studio. Masaya doon. Pero I'm still open to suggestions. And I have 5 sessions here for 9,000 pesos. So, 1 month. I'm wearing Lululemon that I bought sa Japan. So, come dito pa lang. This is my usual order here. Steak to us. You'd be surprised kasi it's the bulalo bone marrow soup. Ayan, I love bulalo. After a Pilates session, sarap kumain. I deserve it. Sige, dagdagan nyo ah. No. Mabibili nun.
Doon. Alam mo naman, nilantak mo ako. Panty ka dito.
Nakapanty na wala.
Taba-taba, gusto mag-gold star.
Siyempre may mga chubby chaser.
Mumba ka nga, doon ka sa bowl kumain.
Show the camera.
Show the camera. Oh.
Ano ba? Baby girl, oh. Itlog ko.
May itlog.